Journal articles are a major source of information for researchers. Researchers often find new articles by using library databases, but another important way to identify useful sources is by looking for ones that are cited in other articles. The vast majority of citations in journal articles are for other journal articles. Let's walk through an example of finding a journal article using a citation. Suppose you are reading this journal article related to a paper or lab report that you are writing and come across an interesting sentence. You decide you want to learn more about it, so you find the appropriate number or citation in the references section. Once you have the citation for the article, you can search for it using the library's search. Search using the title of the article you want to find. If there is no article title in the citation, you can use a tool like Citation Linker to get to the article using the information you do have. Find Citation Linker at z.umn.edu/Citation Linker. If you have any problems getting to an article, ask us. We can help. Books are another type of citation you are likely to encounter. Imagine that you are looking in the reference list for the article you were reading earlier, and you find a citation which looks useful for your research. This citation looks a little different from the last one. It includes the publisher's name and where it was published, indicating that you are trying to find a book. To determine whether we own the book, use Library's search. Hopefully, the book you want is available, either in print or online. If you can't find the book you are looking for, ask us. We can likely get you a copy. To review, journal articles have reference lists you can use to find other relevant articles and books. Use Library Search to find articles and books. If you come across a more unusual situation, like a different type of citation or an item that is not available, please don't hesitate to contact the libraries. Enjoy the research, and if you have any questions, ask a librarian.